Hey girl,
Yeah?
how old are you?
Mm, how old? Guess it.
Why don't you like to answer me?
Not that way, but hey everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you how to avoid personal questions without answering politely. Let's jump into some real life examples and learn.
Hey Emma,
Huh?
why are you still single?
Um, that's a bit personal. Don't you think so? That's a bit personal. It means you don't want to answer the question. Next one.
Hey girl, come here. I was waiting to ask this.
Yeah, what?
How much money do you make?
I like to keep that private. Hope that's okay with you. I like to keep that private. They will understand that you don't like to answer that question. Next one.
Girl, do you live alone?
Actually, I don't feel comfortable answering that question. Hope you don't mind. I don't feel comfortable answering that question. Definitely, they must understand you don't like to answer that question. Next one.
Hey Emma girl, come here. Why don't you have kids yet? Tell me.
Can we talk about something else, please? No one has rights to ask a question like that, so you should not answer those questions. You can gently say, "Can we talk about something else?" Then they must understand that you don't like to answer that question. Next one.
What happened with your ex-boyfriend, lady?
Oh my god, it's complicated. Let's not go there. It's complicated. Let's not go there. They must understand your response. Next one.
Hey, daughter, why won't you tell me about your boyfriend? Are two of you fighting?
Auntie, I get that you're curious, but I don't usually share that kind of information. I'm sorry. I don't usually share that kind of information. You can gently say this and they will definitely understand. You don't like to answer that question. Last one.
What happened yesterday? Did they fight again? Tell me.
I'd rather not say. Hope you don't mind, Auntie. I'd rather not say. Hope you don't mind. So, guys, now you can skip the questions which you don't like to answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more language tips. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay curious. Bye bye.